So please bring your books, girls, and open it on page 132. This is page 132. Today we will continue and solve the first exercise, how I will use the order of operations to find the value. Okay, to find the value. You remember yesterday I told you that there is an order for an operation in any expression. The order told me that you have to start first with multiplication from the left to the right in this direction. So I will start with multiplication first from the left to the right. Second, this is the first thing. Okay, second, I have to do plus or addition and subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction. So also from the right side to the left side. Let's use this order to solve the expressions. So let's start. First thing, I will start with multiplication. Look, I have, this is a multiplication and this is a multiplication. So I will start with multiplication. This is from the left to the right. That's mean I will start with this. This is the first one and this is the second one. Okay, so this is the first multiplication, I will do it, and this is the second. Let's start. 5 multiply 17. So I will start with this multiplication. 5 multiply 17. If I want to find the answer, I will do it on a white paper. 17 multiply 5, as we learned in regrouping. How I will multiply 5 with 17? First thing, I will multiply 5 with the ones digit. That's mean with the 7. 5 multiply 7 equals 35. Can I write 35 in the ones digit? No. So what I have to do, I have to put the 5 here, as we learned, and 3 up over the tens. Stop typing on the chat, please, girls. Stop typing on the chat and focus with me, please. Now, 5, I will multiply 5 with the tens digit. 5 multiply 1 equals 5, plus 3, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So the answer for this multiplication is 85. So the answer for the first multiplication is 85. So I will start with the first one. Okay, so I did the first multiply and I will write the expression 5 multiply 20 minus 32. Okay, so after the first multiplication, this is the first one, I have to do the second one, which is here 5 multiply 20. This is the second one. Okay, this is not a number, this is the order. Okay, so I will not write it here, I will just write it here. So now I will start with this one. After that I will do this multiplication. 5 multiply 20. How I will multiply 5 with 20? I will multiply 5 with 2 and put 1 0 next to the answer, right? So I will multiply 5 with 2. 5 multiply 2 equals what? Equals 10. Thank you, girls. Excellent, Lana and Zen. 5 multiply 2. 5 multiply 2 equals 10. Put the 0 next to the answer, so it will be 100. So this is the answer for the next multiplication. So I will write the others here, or the other numbers right here. Okay, now I finished the multiplication, the first step. After that I have to do plus and minus, or addition and subtraction, also from the right side to the left side. Let's start from the right side to the left side. From the right side to the left side, that's mean I will start with the addition. Okay, I will start with the addition. This is the first operation. After that, I will do the subtraction. This is the second operation. Okay? So I will start with addition. I will add first those numbers, then I will do the subtraction. 85 plus 100. How I will find the answer? I will add the numbers as I learned. 100 or 85 plus 100 and 85. Let's find the answer. This is an addition. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 0 plus 8 equals 8. And there is no hundreds right here, so I will take it and put it down. So it will be 185. This is the answer for the first operation. Okay? So I did the first operation and I found the first answer for this addition. So it will be 185. What about this 20? I will take it and put it here in the expression. Now, what about the subtraction? After I finish the addition, I will do the subtraction. Now I will subtract between 185 and 20. The answer will be what? I will do the strategy that I learned. 185 minus 20. Now, 5 minus 0 equals 5. 8 minus 2, count from 2 to 8, or put 8 on your fingers and erase 2. So it will be 6. Thank you, girls. And there is no hundreds right here, so it will be 1 in the hundreds. So the final answer is 165. Okay? So this is the answer according to the order of operations. So first thing, I will start with the multiplication. Multiply the first one on the left. After that, the second one after it. So I will do the first one. The answer was 58 or 85, sorry. Then I will multiply the numbers here. The second multiplication, 5 multiplied 20, the number was 100. After that, I did my multiplication. I have to do addition and subtraction. So it will be what? First thing, from the left to the right. From the left to the right. So I will start with addition, then subtraction. First, you have to add the numbers. Then you will find the answer. Then you will do the subtraction. And the answer was 165. Let's do the next one on the same page, number 2. Let's do number 2. In number 2, I want to find the value n according to the order of operation. So I know the order of operation. The order of operation told me that I have to start with multiplication from the left to the right. From the left to the right. So let's start. First thing, I have to start with what? Multiply from the left to the right. Okay? Let's start. I will look. Where is the multiplication? This is the first one from the left. Okay? And this is the second one from after it. Okay? So I will start with what? With this one. So it will be what? So 3 multiplied 22. Thank you, Zain. Excellent. 3 multiplied 22. If I found the answer, 22 multiply 3. Find the answer. As we learned, first I have multiplied with what? With 1's digit. 3 multiplied 2 equals 6. Thank you. Now after that 3 multiplied 2 equals 6. So the answer for the first multiplication is 66. This is the first multiplication. I did it. Okay? I found the answer. What about the rest here? I will write it as it is. Plus 7 multiply 41 minus 24. Okay? So I did my first operation, which is here multiplication on the left. After that, I have to do the second one, which is here. This is the multiplication between 7 and 41. I will do it. 41. Let's find the answer. 41 multiply 7. I want you to share with me, please. 7 multiplying 1 equals what? Where are you, girls? Thank you, Zain. Thank you, Lana. 7 multiply 1 equals 7. Now, I will multiply 7 with 4. 7 multiply 4. Yes, Kinsey. 7 multiply 4. 7 multiply 4 equals, where are you? No, not 42. 7 multiply 4 equals 28. I want the answer. Thank you, Duha. Thank you, Ghina. Thank you, Rinad and Kinda. So this is the answer for the first or the second multiplication, 287. So I will write the answer for the second multiplication, 287. And I will write the rest, the number left here, 66, and the addition. Then I will write the subtraction and 24. So I did my first step, which is here multiplication, from the left to the right. After that, what I have to do? I have to do addition and subtraction from the left to the right. So from the left, I have first addition. After that, I have subtraction. So I have to do the addition first. This is the first operation. And then I will do the subtraction. This is the second operation. Okay? So I have to add those numbers. Let's add 286 to 287. Thank you, Nora. And I want to add 66 to this number. Let's find the answer. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6 equals what? If I put 7 in my mind and 6 on my fingers, it will be 13. So I will put 3 here and 1 above the tens. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 6 equals 15. So I will write 5 here, and 1 above the tens. 1 above the hundreds. Now 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer for this addition is 353. So I did my first operation, which is here the addition between those two numbers. So it will be 353. What's the operation left? Subtraction between this number and 24. So I have to subtract 24 from this number. Let's subtract to find n. So I have to subtract 24 from this number. 3 minus 4, I have to borrow from the 5. It will be 4. And I will put the 1 next to the 3, so it will be 13. 13 minus 4, count from 4 to 13, it will be 9. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And the 3, there is no hundreds, so it will be 329. This is the final answer. Today I will repeat the same steps in each exercise, so you will understand it. Of course, I will repeat it many times. Let's do number 3. I will repeat the same steps, girls. So I want first to do multiplication, which is here multiply from the left to the right. Then I will do the addition and subtraction. So where is multiplication here? This is the first multiplication, and this is the second, from the left to the right. So I will do the first multiplication, which is here, this one, 4 multiply 34, and then I will do 6 multiply 40. Let's do the first one. 4 multiply 34. 34 multiply 4. Let's find the answer, girls. 4 multiply 4 equals what? 4 multiply 4 equals 16. I can't write 16 here, so I will write 6 here and 1 above the tens, sorry. 4 multiply 3 equals what? Thank you, Zain. 4 multiply 3 equals 12. Plus 1 equals 13. So the answer for this multiplication is 136. Okay? So I will write the answer under the multiplication. It will be 136. And I will write the number left in this expression. Plus 6 multiply 40 minus 66. So I did my first operation from the left side. After that I have to do the second one, which is here, 6 multiply 40. So it's easy for me, right? 6 multiply 40, how I will do it? 6 multiply 4 equals 6 multiply 4 equals 24, right? This is a multiplication between a whole number and the tenth number. So I will multiply 6 with 4 and put 1 0 next to the answer. 6 multiply 4 equals 24 and put a 0 next to the number, so it will be 240. Now I will write the numbers left in the expression, which is here 136 and 66. Okay, this is the first step. I did my first operation, which is here the multiplication. After that, what I have to do, I have to do plus and minus, also from the left to the right, from the left to the right. So first I have to do, this is the first operation from the left, which is here addition. So I have to add the numbers first, then I will find, or I will do the subtraction. So I have to subtract the numbers. Okay, so let's start with addition. I want to add the numbers, which is here 136 plus, I will write it, 136 plus 240. Let's add the numbers. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. You can do it on your fingers, please. Put a number in your mind and the other number on your fingers. 1 plus 2, very easy, it will be 3. So the number was, or the number is 376, not 86, dear Zen. Okay, dear? So I did my first operation, which is addition here. So the answer is 376. So I have to do the last one, which is here subtraction. So I have to subtract 66 from this number. So let's subtract 66 from this number. Girls, where are you? I want you to share with me, please. Share with me, please. All of you. Now, let's do the subtraction. 6 minus 6. Thank you, Lana. Where are you, Kinda? Where are you, Rinad? Where are you, girls, all of you? Where are you, Ghina? Where are you, Dana? Where are you, Aryam? Duha, Ghind, Zena. I want you, Noura Ali, Noura Ahmad. All of you, please share with me. Sana, also. Thank you. 6 minus 6 equals 0. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 3, there is no hundreds. Thank you, girls. Thank you, Lama. So it will be 3. So the final answer is 310. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you, Kayan. I want you all to share with me, please. Hanouf, Talin, also All of you, please. Kenzie, all of you, please share with me. So this is the answer, okay? I'm sorry, Kenda. I can't follow the chat sometimes, so I didn't see the your answers. So if you finish this one. You finish number 2 and 3. Type 1, please, if you finish. To move to number 4. Okay, let's move to number 4. Thank you, girls. Let's move to number 4. In number 4, also I want to find the value n, and I have to follow the order to find the answer. You know, first I have to start with multiplication from the left to the right. Then I have to add the numbers and subtract from the left to the right. So let's start. All of you, please share with me on the chat. So let's start. I have to start with multiplication from the left to the right. So, okay, very good. If you have any question also, you can type it on the chat. Okay? So first thing, I will start with the first operation from the left, which is here multiply. And then I will do the second one. So this is the first operation, and this is the second operation. So first I will multiply 2 with 62. Let's multiply, girls, together. I want you to give me the answer. 2 multiply 62. 2 multiply 2. What is the answer? 2 multiply 2. Excellent, Lama. It will be 4. Now 2 multiply 6. Thank you, Lana. 2 multiply 6 equals 12. So the first operation will be what? 124. So the first multiplication, 2 multiply 62, the answer was 124. So I will write the other operation, which is here plus 8 multiply 22 minus 53. Now I will do the second operation from the left to the right, which is here multiply between 8 and 22. Let's find the answer. 22, I will multiply 22 with 8. What is the answer? 8 multiply 2 equals what? Thank you, Lana. Thank you, Zain. Equals 16. I can't write 16 here, so I will write 6 here and 1 above the tens. 8 multiply 2, also 16. Plus 1 equals 17. Thank you, girls. So the next one will be 176. And I will write the other numbers. So I will write the addition and 124 and the subtraction and 53. After that, what I have to do? I have to do the plus and minus from the left to the right. So I will start with this one. So this is the first operation and this is the second one. So it will be addition first, then I will do the subtraction. So I will add 124 to 176. Let's do it. 124 plus 176. Let's start. 4 plus 6 equals what? Equals 10. Thank you, Lana. So I will put 0 here and 1 above the tens. 1 plus 2, thank you, Lama. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 7 equals 10 also, thank you, Sema. So I will put 0 here and 1 above the hundreds. 1 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer for the first operation is 300. So the answer for the addition is 300. What about the next number? The second operation is subtraction between this number and 53. So I will subtract 53 from 300. Let's find the answer. 0 minus 3. Can I take 3 from 0? No, I can't. So what I have to do, I will borrow from the 0. I can't borrow from this 0. So what I have to do, I have to borrow from the 3. So this one will be 2 and this one will be 10. Now I can borrow from the 10. So it will be 9 and this one will be 10. Now 10 minus 3 equals 7. 9 minus 5 equals 2. And the hundreds will be 2. So sorry, 9 minus 5 equals 4, not 2, I'm sorry. 9 minus 5 equals 4. So the answer will be what? 247. Let's do number 5. Number 5, I want to order the operations. The first one will be multiplication. The second one, or the first step, I have to do multiplication from the left to the right. Second, I have to do addition and subtraction also from the left to the right. So from the left to the right, let's find the multiplication. This is the first one. I have to multiply this operation first, and this is the second one. So this is the second one. First I will multiply 6 with 13. Let's find the answer. 13 multiply 6. I want you to share with me, please. 6 multiply 3 equals what? Thank you, Zen. Equals 18. So I will put 8 here and the one above the tens. 6 multiply 1 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the first number will be 78. So I will write the numbers left. 9 multiply 34. So I did my first operation which is multiplication here. So I will do the second one. I have to multiply 9 with 34. Let's find the answer. 34 multiply 9. 9 multiply 4 equals what? 9 multiply 4 equals 36. Then 36. So I will put 6 here and 3 above the tens, as we said. I have to regroup the number. 9 multiply 3 equals 27. Plus 3 equals 30. Thank you, Lana. So it will be 30. So the answer for this multiplication will be 306. And I will write the numbers left, which is here 78 minus 22. Now I will do the last thing. I will do addition and subtraction from the left to the right. So I will start with addition. This is the first one. Then I will do the subtraction. So let's do the addition. I want to add 306 to 78. Let's add the numbers. 6 plus 8 equals what? 6 plus 8 equals 14. Thank you, Zen. So I will put 4. Excellent, Zen. I will put 4 here and 1 above the tens. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Thank you, Sema. Thank you, Zena. 1 plus 0 equals 1 plus 7 equals 8. And there is no hundreds, so it will be 3. So the answer for addition will be 384. Then I will do the subtraction. Okay? So I have to subtract what? I have to subtract 22 from this number. Let's subtract 22 from 384. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 8 minus 4 equals 6. And there is no hundreds, so it will be 3 in the hundreds. So the final answer will be 362. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat box. to move to exercise number 6, okay, on page 133. Excellent. Let's move to exercise number 6. In exercise number 6 also I want to find the answer for this expression and order the operations, use order of operations. So first thing, I will start with multiplication. First thing, I will multiply the numbers. So let's do it. First thing, I will start with the multiplication from the left to the right. That's mean I will start with this one, then I will do this one. So let's start. I want to multiply 8 with 41. Let's find the answer. Oh, sorry, 42. 42 multiply 8. Let's find the answer. 8 multiply 2 equals 16. So I will put 6 here and 1 above the tens. 8 multiply 4. 8 multiply 4 equals 32 plus 1 equals 33. Okay, girls, please don't write on the chat. Only if you have a question or you want to answer me, and you have to type just one time. Don't type many times, just one time, please. So the answer will be 336 plus 3 multiply 59. I will write the numbers left, minus 62. Then I have to do the second multiplication. So I did my first one. Second one, 3 multiply 59. 59 multiply 3. 3 multiply 9 equals 27. So I will put 7 here and 1 and 2, sorry, above the tens. 3 multiply 5 equals 15 plus 2 equals 17. So the answer for this multiplication will be 177. So I did my first step, which is here multiplication minus 62. Here I have to do the subtraction now and addition from the left to the right. That's mean I will start with addition, then I will do the subtraction. This is the first one and this is the second one. So first thing, I will add the numbers, which is here 336 plus 177. Okay, let's find the answer. 6 plus 7 equals 11. No, sorry, equals 13. So I will put 3 here and 1 above the tens. 7 multiply 3 equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. So it will be 1 here and 1 above the hundreds. 1 plus 3 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the answer is 513 minus 62. Let's find the subtraction. Let's subtract 62 from this number. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 minus 6 I have to borrow, so this one will be 4 and this one will be 11. 11 minus 6 equals 5, and this will be 4. So the final answer will be 451. Yes, you have a homework, girls, and you have to add number 7 to the homework. I want you to do the number 7 also on this page and do the homework, okay? The homework on weekly plan, and do number 7 and send it for me. So this is our session. Thank you very much. I hope that you